Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So in this week's video, I'm going to be making a crochet. So continue watching and see how I was able to achieve this hair. So I will begin by oiling my scalp with Zillion's hair growth oil to make sure that my scalp will not itch. And once I'm done with that, I will go ahead and use the old tray 1B Passion Water Wave 2. That's the hair that I'll be using. I will cut the hair in half. Then for each half, I will go ahead and divide it into two. Then I will begin to crochet from the back to the front. So I will twist the extension once as I come from the back, and when I get to the front, I will go ahead and twist the hair twice to make sure that I'm covering my cornrow. So this is what I will be doing through the head. So again, I want to take this opportunity to thank all the people who have watched our videos, everyone who has come back each week to watch. Thank you so much for the support and for the comments. We do appreciate all the support. Thank you so much. And if you're here and you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. It does help us to grow this channel.
Time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday.
So this is how our crochet has turned out. It was very easy. So I'm going to go ahead and use some hairspray. And that's strictly curls.
And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away, 'cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your
I will cut the excess hair. And hoo-hoo! That is our look.
heart. That's what my mama said. I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked.
So this is the end of this week's video. Thank you so much for coming by to watch this video. Those who are new, please consider subscribing to the channel. Those who are returning, thank you so much for the support. I will see you all in our next video. Cheers.